What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? In the box today. I've just realised I've got it upside down. Hello, hello. How is everyone today? How are you doing? Hope you are having a super duper Thursday. I've been singing this morning and now I'm back to have a look at some Scentsy goodies, and this has literally just been delivered. I'm so super excited. So excited. I do know what's in it. I've had a sneak preview, not opened this one yet, so I am going to be opening it with you in a few moments, but I have had a little sneak preview on what should be in it, so we shall find out for sure in just a few moments' time. For anybody joining us for the first time, I am Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I'm one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter Sapphire. So if you're watching on the page where I am live now, do give us a like. If you're watching on YouTube, give us a follow and do comment if you're enjoying all the content that we post onto YouTube, and of course I will also share it to the group. This is the October Whiff Box. So super excited. So let's open it up and have a little look at what goodies we have today, or this month even. So I always show you this bit because that's what makes me happy. Scent with love. I love that that's on the box of every single Whiff Box. Scent with love. Now we've got a little bit of info here. Oh, it's quite Christmassy. Look at the paper. How lovely is that? So now, of course, I'm wearing my reading glasses, which normally means I can't read very well. The busiest time of year is just around the corner. We've included an early dose of holiday cheer in your October Whiff Box. Ooh, and you'll be even more excited for the festivities to come with a special surprise this month. It's never too soon to get ready for the holidays. Oh, how lovely is that? So we always get a little bit in there telling you what's coming. Now they've also included, look at that, one of our holiday collection brochures. So this literally shows you, let's have a little look, that. I love Stitch. Oh, he's so cute. We saw him. We were in Manchester at our Scentsy conference at Scentsy Family Reunion, and we got to have a cuddle with him. And I can tell you, he is absolutely flipping gorgeous. He is so super cute. There are some beautiful, beautiful products in our holiday collection. I will share the link again. This is all what we've got. So there we go. You get a little holiday brochure with everything that's available. Oh my goodness, this Whiff Box is absolutely chocker. Can you see all that? Wow, 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 flipping wow. Are you ready? Are you ready? What should we go for first? Do you want me to go for wax first or one of the products? We'll do wax product. Let's do it that way. So we're going to start off with rum, pum, plum. Rum, pum, plum. Now, I know what this is already. I needn't sniff it. So this is plum jam and vanilla. It is absolutely flipping gorgeous. I've grown quite attached to this one because we did get all 10 bars when they were released. No, all 5 bars when they were released. So this is part of our Christmas collection. Rum, pum, plum. And it is very, very, very nice. I've warmed a couple of cubes of this already. Beautiful, beautiful fragrance. So there we go. First bar. So bar number 1. Then we're going to go with, oh, look, we get a hand soap. How nice is that? I love our hand soaps. Our hand soaps are very, very moisturising. So you get the lather up straight away, but they are really quite moisturising. And this is in eucalyptus wreath. Now, eucalyptus wreath is obviously eucalyptus, I can't even say it, but it's also quite pepperminty. So mint and eucalyptus mix. So that is going to be really zingy and that will really wake you up when you wash your hands. This is part of a 3 packs of soap collection, okay, in the Christmas holiday brochure. So you can buy all 3 soaps. Turn it the right way around. So there we go. Sorry, the light's shining on that from my computer a little bit. Eucalyptus wreath. Yum. Another wax bar. Here we go. Cherries Jubilee. Now again, this is one I have smelt. This reminds me of cherry bakewells. You know, that lovely cherry, vanilla, scrummy lemon as well in there. Cherry bakewell tart. So there we go. Cherries Jubilee. Gorgeous fragrance. This is one that I can see going on my Scentsy Club. Obviously, my Scentsy Club has just arrived because I've got the Whiff Box and about 12 bars that are my Scentsy Club bars, which I will share another day. But I think this might end up on my Scentsy Club. I've got a couple of cherry ones on there, actually. I've got cherry limeade and maraschino sugar cookie on there, which are both cherry ones. I think this could go on there as well. Love that. So yes, that's kind of, like I say, cherry bakewell. Then we have got washer whiffs, and these are in the exclusive Christmas fragrance as well. So these are in Arctic Kiss. So I'm going to open these. Need to have a sniff because I've not smelt these in the washer whiffs. I've smelt the wax. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. So slightly minty. I think there's vanilla. I'm trying to see if I've got it written down anywhere. But yes, there is vanilla in there. Oh, that is a beautiful fragrance on laundry. That is just going to be gorgeous. If you've not used washer whiffs before, they are, you can see, little like granules. And all you do is pop them into the drum of your machine with your washing, and they're like a fragrance enhancer. So your washing comes out smelling absolutely flipping amazing. So there we go. Arctic Kiss washer whiffs. Awesome. This is such a good box. So the boxes, Whiff boxes, are £42. £42 of flipping incredibleness. Is that a word? It is now. Then we have bar number 3. 3 bars of wax in this box. Bar number 3 is Mint to Be Merry. Mint to Be Merry. Now, Mint to Be Merry is actually November's scent of the month. So you're getting a whole bar in advance of the November scent of the month. Now, I have not smelt this yet, so I am definitely going to get my nose straight in this one. I cannot wait. Woo. Now, I love minty fragrances. One of my favourite Christmas ones is called Silver Bells, which is mint and vanilla. And this has got those sort of vibes. Oh, it's minty. I think they said sugarcane and cookies. That is lush. So this is the November scent of the month. And we have a whole bar of this in advance. So you're getting a whole bar of the November. Mint to Be Merry. I just love the name. How super cute is that? Mint to Be Merry. So we've now got 3 bars of wax. There we go. 3 bars of wax. We have got a tub of washer whiffs. And we have got a great big soap dispenser, eucalyptus wreath. So actually, if I just got that in my Whiff box, I would have been quite happy with that, because that is still worth over the £42. But we have got one more product. And I know this is exclusive, totally exclusive to the Whiff box. You will not be able to buy this separately. I'm covering him up for now. You won't be able to buy this separately. It is only in the Whiff box. Now, the only thing I can say is if they have any left over at the end of October, you might find him available after that. But I can't see there being any left over. I think this Whiff box is going to go out of stock quite quickly, or change quite quickly, because I know how much people are wanting this. Let's open it up and have a look. So excited. Oh my goodness. Look. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus would do. Oh my word, look at that. We have got, I think it's her name, Holly. Holly the hippopotamus. And she is in, oh, perfect peppermint. Oh, it's quite a minty box this month. Perfect peppermint is gorgeous. I've actually got this as my soap in the kitchen at the moment. Oh, sorry, Holly. Let's put the clip that side so we can see your face. There she is. So perfect peppermint is minty and vanilla-y and just very, very pepperminty. Very pepperminty. Oh, she really smells good. I'm not sure hippos really smell like this. Actually, let's just imagine that they do. She's got a little scarf on. Look at her little tusks. Look at that and her little ears. Oh, isn't she just super cute? Wow. Hello. Hello. I'm Holly. She is beautiful. So one of my favourite Christmas songs is I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas. And now look, I have one. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. No crocodiles, no rhinoceroses. I only like hippopotamuses, and hippopotamuses like me too. Woo-woo! So there we have it. That is this month's Whiff Box. It is absolutely incredible. It is £42 of total awesomeness. If you want to get your hands on one of these, I will pop the link into this live, but you can pop me a message and I will order them for you. You can only get this in a Whiff Box. So if you want Holly, you have to get a Whiff Box. She is just adorable. There we go. So 3 bars of festive wax, a tub of washer whiffs, 1 soap, and the star of the box, in my opinion, is Holly. So there we go. All right, my loves, I am going to get off because I need to sniff a hippo's bottom. It's not a sentence you say every day. All right, my darlings, you take care. I will speak to you really, really soon. Mwah, loads of love.